Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can sign up for a Chime account. So let's get started. To begin, open the Chime sign up page. On the first page, enter your email address and tap Get Started. Next, type your legal first and last name and continue. Then enter your date of birth. Remember, you must be at least 18 years old to open a Chime spending account. After that, enter your phone number for two-factor authentication, which helps keep your account secure. Then type your home address. Make sure it is accurate because your Chime Visa debit card will be mailed to this address. Now create a strong password and continue. Next, you'll be asked to provide your social security number, which is required by federal law. After entering it, Chime will ask a few short questions, such as your income and employment details. You'll then see a few policy agreements. Check the boxes and submit your application. If your application is approved, you'll see a welcome message. You can now download the Chime app to complete your account setup. Once the app is installed, tap Login and enter the same email and password you just created. Chime will send a verification code to your phone. Enter that code, then create a mobile passcode. Your account will now finish loading, and you'll see your digital Chime debit card is ready to use immediately through Apple Pay or Google Pay. This means you can start spending even before your physical debit card arrives. You'll also see deposit options like direct deposit, transfer from another bank, cash deposits, or checks. You can set these up right away or skip them for later. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.